Hey friends, I'm back with another unboxing video. Did you miss me? Oh, you missed me. So, are you excited? You know which time I got this time? So let me show you. It's a Barbie Doggy Daycare set. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, it has 4 puppies. Oh my god. So now let's put them back. And let's do some facts so we can feed and drink. Is this one color changing? It's color changing! Yeah, I'm just so happy. Come on. Now let's turn you around. Oh my gosh, Barbie's looking very beautiful. Oh, Barbie always looks beautiful. It's not like she doesn't look beautiful in pink. Come on, let's get out of the box. They're out of the box. Oh my gosh, the pups are so cute. And the Barbie's so beautiful. So I've already named the pets. And Barbie, this is Grace. The Barbie's name is Grace. This is Bruno, Tracy, and Ruby, and Lindsay. Oh my gosh, they're so cute too. It also comes with this. A bottle to feed. We cannot feed ourselves. A small plate. For the little cute pets. Let's put it. A dog bowl which has 3 bones. That's good. Let's put them right there. And a newspaper. Oh, this newspaper is nice. So I also show you something. So when you put a bone, you can put a bone in his mouth. Another one. And I put 3 bones in his total mouth. Gosh, come on, go in. I did not this one. No. Go to this side. I guess we're gonna go like this. And poop, poop. It doesn't smell. Amazing. Oh my gosh, another one. Beep. Another one. Oh, that just came through. No more. See? No more. Now open it up. And for Ruby, so you need to fill water. So we don't got any water for now. And look at the blanket. You can put Lindsay. Lindsay. It's nice and warm. You can also do that with Ruby. Ruby, you're nice and cozy. It's perfect for Ruby. Oh, look at Barbie's dress. It's so amazing. It has all the sweets we love. Eating her dress. Oh my gosh, she's gonna fall. She's gonna fall. And look at her sneakers now. They're so cute. And she has bendable needs. Oh my gosh, bendable needs. I love stuff that you can say. And look at her blonde hair. You know it is so blonde. And her hands are so cute. She's so cute. Oh, look at the puppy. She's coming on her lap. It's so cute. Let's put it back. You can also do some more stuff. I wish we had water so we can do it in the mouth. You can also put it in the mouth. Oh, see oh my gosh. Oh, I guess they want to go for a walk. See you next time. I guess my puppy wants to go for a walk. Bye.